We are back. So today we are at Barnes, South Western Main Line. So this is via Putney bit. So let's see if we can get something special for this summer. Hopefully we will see something good. Fingers crossed. Hopefully we might see some 455s, 458s, 450s. I don't know why 450s sometimes operate via Hounslow. Anyway, let's see what we've got for this app today at Barnes. So, arriving on platform 3 is the 1222 South Western Railway for Wimbledon, or the Waterloo Circular, which it doesn't matter. So we got a class 455. So we got a class 455. 455706. Very good start. Then we've got another dash 7, 455 711 on the rear. And he is off to Wimbledon. Now departing the 455 for the service to Wimbledon. Let the motors commence. Nice. Yeah, it says via Richmond on it. It's going on the Waterloo Circular. Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. So passing on platform 2 is a 458/5. 458516. Whoa! And 507. What kind of horn was that? I don't know, why does it sound like that? Doesn't sound like the Stadler one. No.
Train now approaching platform 4.
A fast train on platform 4 is a Juniper.
The edge of the platform.
Yes! 458523. Yes, mate, come on! And 503, and that is off to Reading. Arriving now, it's 455. It's a /7. 455713. No. And what's on the rear? I'll double check in a minute. Listen to that compressor. Okay. And that's 455, 701 and 713. To London Waterloo. Oh! Here's a 707 fast from Windsor. Can he take it? 707025. No. And 015. So arriving in now, it's a 450 from Weybridge. 450095. He's gonna sound it. Nah. Nah. Not sounding it. Man. And 451, 13 on the rear. He's from Weybridge. $450,095 and 113 service from Weybridge to London Waterloo. Okay, we have a 450 for the 1242 Southwestern Railway service for Weybridge via Hounslow and Isleworth. Let's see if he sounds it. Is he going to sound it? 450020. Going to sound it? No. No. That's unfortunate. 450017. 1242 to Weybridge. Right, passing on platform 4, 707. I'm not going to get that, so that's 707016. I don't know why I'm going to get on the rear, sorry. Not going to get that. Darn it. Didn't get that 707 on at the back. And off goes the 450 bound for Weybridge. I do apologise, I didn't get the number, it's at that 707 for Windsor.
Stand back from the edge of the platform.
Here comes the Juniper, off to London Waterloo. I'm sorry ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing like the DJ Sammy, the song of it. I do not know what's going on. 458513. 524.
Southwestern Rail.
455. Here it is. Hey 455s, come and get me. Four 55915. No. With a dash A at the back, 455863. Off goes the 455 bound for Wimbledon. So arriving on platform 1 is another 455. Service to London Waterloo, and that is 455-874. With a -7 at the back. And 455-704. I thought it was a Juniper, but no, it's a 707. 707018. Um, 1028. Darn it. So here he is, passing on platform 4. You must sound it. Hey Junipers, come and get me. Sound it. Sound it. 45857 and 516.
Calling at Buckley, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Vauxhall,
That's
and
unfortunate.
London Waterloo.
H.
Last stop, it's a 707. Can you sound it for the finish? 707030. Can you sound us on for the finish? Please do. No. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. And 010. So I hope you enjoyed today at France, and I will be back soon at Oakley Park. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Well, see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.